welcome back to another episode of Dash of Donita. I know it's been a long time since I've posted a video, pero anong magagawa ko? December season, you know, sikat po ako. Wow. So I wanted to do something extra special. I have two guests. The first one was my first guest on my first vlog. That was 6 years ago. And I've asked him to come back for this vlog for a very special reason because of guest number 2. You'll understand what I mean in a minute. Please welcome my son, JP Villarama. Hey. Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you. So now I'm gonna introduce my second guest, okay? This guy, I met recently, and he owns his own restaurant in BGC called Zoo. This guy also does kiddie cooking classes for ages 4 to 12 years old, and they call him the Big Bald Chef. Please welcome Chef Carl Ka. Woo! Woo!
Hey,
Woo! Woo! Woo!
Donita.
Hi.
Hey, JP, how are you? Hello, hello.
Hi. Thank you, Chef Carl.
Christmas season, right?
Yes, it's the Christmas season,
so
and
let's do something fun for the kids today.
yes. What are we gonna do today, Chef?
Wow, well, let's do some slimes and edible jellies and some party stuff for the kids.
You know what's even more exciting than that is that it's actually the first time that I'm not really having to work. I'm gonna make my son work. Okay, so DSWD, pasensya na po kayo.
All right, so what we're gonna do right now is that we're gonna heat up some marshmallows. You can use the oven, you can use the microwave oven until it becomes liquid. Right? Liquidy.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so how many marshmallows are we gonna make?
We're gonna use about 10 for
10 marshmallows,
Yeah,
10 large marshmallows.
So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna microwave 5 of these for about 15 seconds. Then we're gonna take some out, add 2, put it back in 10 seconds, put it out, mix it, put 3 in, and then put it for 10 more seconds. Then we're done.
Perfect.
Okay.
All right, so what are you doing now?
Just mixing it, you know, just since it's heated up, it's just starting to melt a little bit. All right, so this is already as good as it is.
Very nice. And then we'll start off with our Nutella.
Yeah, with
What do you think?
Nutella.
Yeah. So since we only have 7 inside, and it's 4 for 1 spoon, for every 4 marshmallows, you get 1 tablespoon of Nutella.
Ah.
So since we put 7, how many spoons are you gonna put in?
Yan, dyan ako, ano,
1.5
talo.
spoons since it's
Well, 1 and
you know,
3/4. So yeah, well, 1.5 can do.
Finish him.
There we go. Oh my god, I love Nutella.
All right,
Mix it up. Come on, you gotta hurry up, or else it's gonna harden. Can you hold it now?
It's pretty good.
Can
Yeah.
you hold it? All right, nice. All right. Oh my god. Oh, we had to first taste.
It's
now.
touchable. That's not
touchable.
all.
Touchable. All right, come on. Put your hands down.
So earlier we made spaghetti slime, and now we're gonna make grenade slime. Is that right?
Wow. Yeah. Is that right, Chef JP?
Yeah.
So what are we gonna use for the grenade slime?
So basically, there are about a few things we're really gonna need. Grenade silicone bottles. We're
Alright.
gonna need some gummy bears or any type of gummy candy. You know, the ones without the sugar coated on them, right?
All right. All right.
We're gonna need a spoon and a bowl. The ones for scooping out the melted candy onto the mold.
All right.
And the reason why it's melted is because we're gonna be also needing the final thing,
The-
the microwave.
The microwave. Yeah. Can you show us how to make it?
Okay. Yeah.
All
sure.
right, cool. Yeah.
So we're gonna
So
need
I wanna make this with my kids when I on the Christmas vacation. Okay.
So we need
So,
our
what are those?
our
Gummy bears. All right.
We put a handful in this bowl.
All right.
And we're gonna put this in the microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds. There we go.
I see. Whoa!
Wow!
What is that? Is that the
liquid.
gummy bears a while ago?
Yeah.
It turned into that?
Yeah, because of all the heat, you know, it melts it down and stuff.
Oh, I see.
Okay, so we just put it into the mold, and then how long does it take to cool?
It's gonna take about an hour in here, but it's it's in the fridge, then 15 minutes will do.
Ah, I see. Okay.
So what we do is put in here. Very
All right.
simple.
Ooh. So what do we do with this?
Well,
let's put it in the refrigerator. All right, cool.
All right, so we took our grenades out of the freezer, and guess what? It hasn't set yet, but JP has school tomorrow, and we gotta run. But thank you guys for watching, and that we hope that you guys try this at home during the holidays. Happy holidays, everyone. Please like and subscribe, and of course, get everyone else to join in on Dash of Donita. Thank you, guys.